Welcome to One Rental at a Time. If you're new here, my name is Michael Zuber, author of One Rental at a Time and 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires. If you're a longtime viewer and subscriber, I just want to let you know that I appreciate you in every way. Thank you for the daily support. Thank you for being a part of the community. Something I haven't done in a while is really do a channel update, really talk about what is going on in my head. So I thought since we just passed 58,000 subscribers, why not use that round number to take a step back, recognize where we've been, and talk about where we are going, highlight if anything is going to change. So I guess there's first thing we have to talk about, and that the first thing is always my North Star. My North Star since video number one, back in 2018, was to try and create a positive impact that outlived me by 50 years. What does that mean? That means I have to keep showing up. That means I have to keep creating value and things that will outlive me. That is frankly why YouTube is a great platform. If your goal is to create positive impact long after you are gone, you have to have a medium or a platform that will be in existence. And obviously, I am having faith that YouTube will. The second thing is you probably should write a book. And what we did in this book, One Rental at a Time, was document our story, the good, bad, and the ugly. We started with a significant loss in the stock market. We read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and then crazy stuff happened. The second book, 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires, is perhaps even more important. That book doesn't have one story, it has 15 stories. I wanted to create that book because I know it's hard to get wealthy. I know if you are doing buy and hold real estate that the first 5 years are hard. You make mistakes, your cash flow is small. I get it. So I wanted to create a book that had 15 in-depth stories of people that did it in 15 unique ways. So that second book is really meant to be something that you hold near and dear, and you read the stories and you reread the stories. And yes, you even reread the stories to make sure you keep going. So again, that is my goal. That has not changed. I don't see that changing. Number two, something else you will see on this channel is I talk about what I'm doing. What does that mean? Well, I've been studying the economy for 30 plus years. I have an econ degree. I have an MBA, Master's in Business Administration. I was an accountant coming out of college. I've been in the business world for a long time. I've also sold enterprise software at many different levels, ran go-to-market strategies. So again, I'm going to talk about what I do. And again, my habit, my daily routine is to wake up early, read the financial news. Now I share that with you. So the first thing that you will know about this channel is I give you 5 times a week to watch live. Unless I'm traveling or doing something family oriented, you will see me go live Sunday through Wednesday at 7:30 a.m. I actually go live from my phone just to prove it's possible. I have this fancy camera. I have all these lights. I could clearly go live on another medium, but I don't want to. I want to show smaller creators that all you need is your phone. In fact, I've done over 1,000 video lives on my phone and will continue to. And then on Thursdays, I actually go live at 7 a.m. because one of my millionaire guests needs to get started early. So again, we will do the daily financial news 5 times a week. Then we have what I call the Millionaire Series. And one of the things that hopefully is obvious with this channel is the millionaires that come back each week and give us a little piece of their week. They're all go-givers. They all have unique experience, and they all are here for you. You undoubtedly will have your favorites. You will undoubtedly have some that drive you crazy. That is okay. All of my millionaires are not meant to be your cup of tea. They are meant to reach new audiences. They are meant to reach people that are open. Again, it is not lost on me that some folks will love some millionaires and some will be frustrated by others. That is completely okay. We are up to 12 multimillionaires and millionaires coming back each week on this channel for you. Next up, something I am super excited about, which I think will finally land in your inboxes on Tuesday, the 16th, is something called the Zuber Letter. You can go to zuberletter.com, give me your email, and you will get a weekly newsletter of what is important. You'll get a summary, you'll get highlights of videos, you'll basically get a weekly newsletter of the key topic that we were talking about on this channel. This Zuber Letter is even more impressive because Resi Club and Lance Lambert have partnered with me to create an in-depth view of the housing market. Folks, this is free. You need to sign up. The Zuber Letter, zuberletter.com, is something you are going to want to get your hands on. It is absolutely my hope that the first version lands tomorrow, April 16th. Again, zuberletter.com. Also, something that I am looking forward to is more speaking engagements. Folks, if you are part of different meetups or events and you would like to have one rental at a time there, please reach out. In the next 3 weeks, we will be speaking at WealthCon, and we will be speaking as the keynote speaker at Northwest Action Summit. In between that, I'm going to improve myself by going to Sean Cannell's Think Media, Grow with Video. Again, thank you, Sean, for the opportunity. So again, looking for more podcasts and speaking engagements. If you have a podcast, reach out. Let's see if we can get something scheduled. We do offer a bunch of courses. I've been getting constant feedback. In fact, I had a video go live on Monday at 9 a.m. where Millennial Mike is telling me I'm an idiot for what I have done. I created a course called How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. I currently, subject to change, I currently only charge $3.99. You will see in that video with Millennial Mike, we go through all the different pieces, and it is a lot. In fact, according to all of my executive coaches, it's too much. I charge too little and I give away too much. I am bothered by that. Again, what I'm trying to do is create something that I would have bought 20 years ago. I may have, or I probably would have bought a $400 course with everything we have, plus free access to a Facebook community. That would have made sense to me, right? Getting in a network of 2,000 other people doing it. All my coaches, including Millennial Mike, are saying, strip it down and charge more. Just doesn't feel right to me. It just doesn't feel right. But again, subject to change. We are doing some ORAT swag. I know I have a very passionate community. I thank you. I thank you. I thank you. I am working on some very unique and limited edition things. Homes and Hustle has created a sweatpants that for me that says "Do the Work," and it will be limited edition of one of $4.99. You can see an example of that on my Instagram. We also have this white hoodie, which I'm wearing, which is actually limited edition, one of 99. It has a very nice thing on the back, custom that was created. And then I'm working on something super secret, which will be limited to one of 49. Again, I want to create things and have my community have some limited edition items. Then we have events. We have done some virtual events. We had a wildly successful in-person event. In fact, we are repeating the in-person event on President's Day 2025. It will be President's Day weekend. It'll be Saturday, Sunday. So you can travel back Monday. We are looking to pack that into 400 people. The event space maxes out at 400. We will go to the 400 number next year. So at the end of the day, one rental at a time is my platform to give back. It is my platform to create legacy. It is my platform to talk about what I have done. And it's really fun. When the channel started, all I would talk about is building a portfolio of buy and hold rentals, building wealth one house at a time. What has transpired over the last 5 or 6 years is I built a brand. I built an online community. I have built side hustles that have produced 7 figures, $1 million. I've built a brand that somebody offered me $1 million to buy. So what you will see me talk about also is how you can start building a channel, a community, a side hustle while you're employed going forward. So again, I think a lot of you, Gen X, baby boomers, you have a passion, you have a hobby that is just sitting there waiting for you to start building your tribe, your community, and become an expert or a brand in something that you know and trust and have experience in. So, folks, at the end of the day, one rental at a time is here for you. We will do the daily financial news. We will continue to do the millionaire series. I just look forward to helping more and more people. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave them below. Millennial Mike, of course, will go through them once a week and pull out the spicy, pull out the in-depth. If you have questions about me or the channel, leave your comment below. I would love to hear from you. At the end of the day, if you're new here, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you've been around for a while, also, thank you, thank you, thank you. Wouldn't be here without you. I appreciate you, appreciate the support. Have an amazing day. Take care. Bye.